back to Fluency School. Today, we are gonna learn something super exciting. Alright then, let me tell you what we have for today. Today, I'm gonna teach you some idioms. Idioms, what are they? Idioms are figurative expressions. You can also call them metaphorical expressions. Idioms are phrases. We use them to add more interest to our conversations and also when we write something or when we compose something. Well, there are thousands of idioms in the English language. Learning them can help you to enhance your speaking and composing skills. Please understand, an idiom is a combination of a few words. It's important that you know, in order to understand what these idioms or phrases mean, you cannot take the literal meaning of each word. You should know together they form a totally different meaning. Alright everyone, let's look at an example now. For an example, if I take this idiom, a piece of cake. Here, it doesn't mean that I need to eat a piece of cake. It means performing a particular action is super duper easy. Right, so let's see how to put that in a sentence. I can say, riding a motorbike is a piece of cake. Alright, another idiom. A little birdie told me. What does that mean? It doesn't mean that you go to whisper with birds. It means that somebody told you a secret about someone else. You can ask something like this. Oh, I heard you're getting married. And then the other person would ask, how do you know? A little birdie told me. Right, so you'll use this expression mainly when you do not like to expose the person who told you this secret. Right, next idiom, cool as a cucumber. What does that mean? Okay, we use this idiom when we talk about someone who can be so calm under stressful situations. Right, so for an example, you can say like this. Oh, this work is so stressful, but I can see that you're cool as a cucumber. Most of us find it really difficult to deal with stressful situations. But think about a cucumber. Despite of the weather condition, it stays cool inside. That's why we use this phrase when we talk about cool and calm people. Alright everyone, next idiom. Cat got your tongue? What's that? We ask this question when we find someone inexplicably quiet and we need to know why that person is so quiet. We can ask, cat got your tongue? Right, so let's see an example. Right, say that you're at a meeting discussing something very important with a group of people, but there's this one person, he doesn't talk at all. So you can ask, do you have anything to add? And if that person is still quiet, you can ask, cat got your tongue? Okay, next one. When pigs fly. What does that mean? Do pigs fly? Do they have wings? Let's see what it means. Right, so you use this expression to say that something will never happen. Let me give you an example. Say that you live in a rented apartment and this apartment is super old and also in a very bad shape. Your landlord is not bothered to renovate it. Right, so one day you come to your apartment with a friend. Your friend says, oh, look at this apartment. It needs to be renovated. And you can say it like this. It will be renovated when pigs fly. Alright everyone, last idiom for the day. Lights are on, but nobody's home. What does that mean? This idiom can be used when you have to deal with someone who lacks intelligence, or maybe this person doesn't pay enough attention to what you say. Right, so this practically means you have a brain, but you don't take any use of it. For an example, say that you're trying to explain something to someone And no matter how many times you did explain, this person doesn't seem to get anything. So now you're so tired of explaining, you say, well, I can see the lights are on, but nobody's home. Well, you don't need to be rude to that person, but you can put sarcasm in place to express your feeling. Alright everyone, that's it for today. I hope you had fun learning idioms. Now you can use these idioms to talk and to compose fearlessly. Well everyone, remember, Shakespeare was a master in using idioms, if that makes you encouraged. Right, so start simple and improve yourselves. Read a lot, listen a lot, then only you can get used to these kind of expressions, and it will help you to use them fearlessly when conversing and also when composing. Alright, I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, take care and stay safe.